Okay, guys, let's see. See this? I don't know the look. See this? I got noodles. Gonna fuel in. I got the washing right there. The top load, yeah. Let's start smashing this one. This is so bad. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, that's broken. 3, 2, 1. Guys, look! It broke! Look! Yeah. Q's or loser? The answer is, it's Q. I don't know. Let's try again. The next is the prime. Prime drink. Put in a washing machine into the prime. And they put into the, yep. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, it isn't broke. Wow, guys, look, it isn't broke. The prime drink into it isn't broke. How much this into the washing machine? How much is it? Okay, the answer is, it's 1,000. I forgot to answer. What is Senegal? How much did they get a washing machine? $1,000? $1,000 or $500 or $1? The answer is $1,000. That means it is so expensive. Either it's broken. Oh my god, it's broken. No way. You're getting an expensive one. It's okay. So guys, I got a prime and drink. I don't know to tell you. Here's a got the prime. You just broke it. Don't ruin it. Don't spanking. Let's do it. Open this one. Put it into the drink if you want Gatorade or Prime. Oh, who's turned it off? Oh, he shut down. Okay. You put it right there. Tie it. All right, let's do it. Ready, guys? Ready? All right. 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's do it. This one, we don't need this. This one don't need it. This one's broken. You can put right there. Yeah, it's broken. The washing machine, it broke. Look at this. Look at this. It broke. Look, guys. Look. It broke. Let's try again. Let's see if this is spanky. Let's see if it's. Okay. It destroyed it now. Okay. Okay. It's no more washing, no more laundry machine. It's all with that. Thank you for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. I'll see you guys later. Bye.